Miss Stella has been at Gonzales for multiple years now. Each of these years I have seen her grow and become one of the best teachers in our building, but probably in our district. She cares about her students on a very high level. They come to her for life problems. They come to her for academic needs. Beyond that, they come to her because they trust her. That trust is amazing, and the relationships they built with Miss Stella has been incredible.
I never met a more deserving teacher than Stella. She is an amazing teacher. I've gotten to work with her the last 10 years, and I've never seen another teacher more dedicated to her students.
Many students come to see her after they leave Gonzales. The amount of accolades I hear from families and students about Miss Stella is amazing.
She cares about their well-being. She's always ready to create new things for her students to keep them interested, make sure they're really understanding content.
She is an incredible person, an incredible teacher, and so deserving of this award.